All right, so Darren and I did our pitch. That was an experience of a lifetime. I will definitely say that. Our buyers, they were very nice. They let us know that our pitch was the most passionate, that I absolutely love my craft, which is absolutely true. They also let me know, no golden ticket this time, but we're doing everything right except for we need marketing and sales, and I need more likes, I need more subscribers. We need to have more of an audience that's absolutely loving the Bubble Factory soap. So that's what I'm going to be working on, and we'll see what happens. Also, we were in the solid detergent bar soap category. So do you know what that tells me? Us soap makers need to go out there and we need to educate them and let them know what's the difference between our cold processed natural soap and the beauty cleansing bar out there in this world. But thank you. Looking forward to letting you know where the next adventure is. The next place that I leave tomorrow night with a very special friend, I need a passport. So can't wait to share and let you know what we're doing with that new adventure. This has been a great 2024, and I'm so glad to have you with us. So Walmart open call, it's over for us, but you know what? You're gonna find us on walmart.com. All right, thank you. Bye.